Hi, we're in Steph's Low Carb Kitchen today. We are here to make those crispy air fried chicken wings that I told you about that you are going to absolutely love. And by the time these chicken wings are finished, I will be finished with my fast. Actually, it just ended just now. So when the chicken wings are done, we will be able to taste them and you'll be able to see how crispy they are. So let's go. So we are cutting up the chicken wings. Boy, this knife is nice and sharp. I just got this from Walmart. It's a KitchenAid knife. So we're cutting them all up into sections. Now we're going to put them onto this paper towel because we need to make sure they are dried off on the outside. Before putting the spices on, you want to dry the chicken. We're patting it with another paper towel. Gonna get our spices together. So this right here is for later. It's buffalo sauce. Usually I get the spicy, but all they had was the mild when I went to the store. Now the the carb count is 1 gram, and the serving size, I meant to show you that, is 1 tablespoon. So that's not bad, not a bad carb count. So now we're gonna season, they're nice and dried out. We're gonna season the chicken wings. First, we're going to do some salt. Next, we're going to go in with some pepper. Just sprinkling it on in the layer. Now we're going to add some garlic powder, onion powder. Oh yeah, and I just remembered we need to preheat our air fryer for 3 minutes. Some paprika. Now you want to rub all those spices in on this side of the chicken, and we're going to flip it over and do all of the spices on this side. So you're going to do the salt, the pepper, the garlic powder, the onion powder, and the paprika. And you're going to rub it all in on this side as well. Now, you want to make sure when you're dealing with chicken that you use separate tongs for the cooked chicken and the raw chicken so that you don't get any bacteria. You got to spray the inside of the air fryer basket. And remember, it's preheated. And then we're going to put the chicken wingettes down into the basket and make sure that they do not touch. So usually I can only get about 6 in here at a time. So I have to do 2 batches today. See how they're not touching? Then we got to spray them again. This is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil spray. And we're going to put those in there for 8 minutes. While we wait, I like to clean up while I cook, so I put the other chicken wings to the side in a container. Now we're going to flip these boys over. Don't they look good? We're going to spray the other side. I was going to say respray. We're going to spray the other side, and then we're going to put them back in for about 5 minutes. with a little less than a minute left. I just wanted to pull them out and check them. Some of these wings are a little bigger, so I'm gonna let them cook for a couple extra minutes. Now they're done. Let's take a look. Nice and crispy. So we're going to take these out of the air fryer basket and place them on the wire rack. You want to put it on a wire rack so that the chicken doesn't get soggy on the bottom. It has air flowing all around it to keep the crispness. Now it's time for the second batch. You see, I went back to my other tongs that I'm using for the raw chicken. Gotta move them around, make sure that they are not touching if possible. And spraying with the extra virgin olive oil spray and in for 8 minutes. Now, of course, we fast forwarded through that time. Sometimes you wish time would go that fast. So we're gonna take a look at these, see what they look like. It's time to flip them over. They're looking good. Making me hungry. This one right here is kind of big, so probably cook it a little while longer, this batch. Just like we did the one before. Don't forget to spray the second side with your olive oil spray and back into the air fryer for 4 minutes because we're going to put them all back in together. We're putting them all back in together so that they can come out hot and crispy together at the same time. So we're gonna get our little plate ready for the taste test. I warmed up some of that buffalo sauce and put a little blue cheese on there because you can't have buffalo wings without blue cheese. So let's check them out. So we're gonna take them all out now and put them on the rack. I'm gonna put one over to the side for me. And we're gonna put them onto the wire rack so they can remain crispy. We're going to pour a little bit of buffalo sauce on the wing because I don't like to drench it all over the wing because it makes it not as crispy anymore. And we're going to dip it in that blue cheese. I don't know if you heard the crunch. Perfect. Hope you try it.